Paper Monkey. I pulled all kind of mess out, and you know I'm not going to use all this, but welcome to my channel. Let me take a breath a second. I really kind of forgot about my Sunday Coffee and Collage video. This Coffee and Collage video is my way of not forcing's the wrong word. I had to make a commitment to you guys to practice my collage every week. So this is my way of fulfilling that commitment. I always told myself I did not like collage. I didn't think I was very good at it. And so I would always tell myself, well, if you would just practice, and I would say, oh, go practice, and then I'd find something else to do instead because I didn't like my collage. So it was a vicious cycle. When I made this commitment to do this video every week, it's really helped me to grow in my collage. I'm not perfect at it, but I am really enjoying it, really and truly. Now, this one may be a bust. I'm just going to tell y'all right now, it might be. I wanted to do something with these stickers. You guys that have been here saw me post about these stickers. You've seen me talk about these stickers, and you ran to Amazon and bought some of these stickers because they're like $6 or $7. They're really very inexpensive, but they are cute as they can be. I mean, they are sweet. These are awesome. I thought we might try, and again, this may just be a total bust. I don't know. I want to do some scenes. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that I just don't know if it's going to work, but we'll try it. We'll try it. So I just pulled out a few pieces of scrap paper. I want to try this one. I think I want to try this one. Let's glue it down. I always use, I try anyway to use a background. And I think, like I said, I'm a little concerned because this is like way out of my comfort zone. Way out of my comfort zone. But let's just glue it down. Let's just try. If nothing else, I just won't load the video. But knowing me, I will, just to show y'all that, listen, it's okay. It's okay to practice, and if you don't like it, show the world what you did and move on from it, and we'll do it again next week. So I'm thinking that. This is what I'm thinking. Now, I had some dictionary page. Let's see. I have a little bag. This little bag right here is my collage bag. This little bag came from House of Books. Oh, here it is. This is a House of Books, and this I bought from, or I didn't buy. I'm sorry. I'm a part of their ambassador program, and so in doing that, they allowed me to pick some products. I specifically picked products that were collage specific. So we pull from these occasionally. So thank you, House of Books, for that opportunity. Okay, we've got farm here. And I'm just gonna get rid of some of that white. I'm gonna get rid of some of that. And we'll just start gluing this down. I'm just going to piece together some background. And then we'll look at the scenes. One of the other things, you guys that have been here have heard me talk about this. One of the other things that have really helped me is going to a smaller substrate background, smaller. I used to do a double page spread when I first started this video series. You can go back and watch those if you want. It's all, I have a playlist going for this too, but it was too much. It was too big. I didn't. I was getting ready to quit, to be honest with you. I really was. I was getting ready to quit, y'all. I did not like that at all. But my friend Laura, the Half-Assed Crafter, suggested that I use a smaller background. Just go smaller. And I did that, and it's helped. So if you guys are out there, some of you have told me that you craft along with me for this because you kind of feel the same way. You're not good at collage or whatever. And I hope you are crafting because this has really helped me. It really has. I'm liking this so far, just like it is. I am. I'm going to cut this down. cut this down. I have links in my description of all the glue and the scissors and all the stuff. You don't have to buy it from my affiliate links. Please don't think that. But you can use those for the description of the product and go find it cheaper. I always tell you that. But if you do use my affiliate links, thank you so much. That helps me tremendously. I go into that when I get my commission. I go into Amazon. My Uncle Jeff. Go to my Uncle Jeff. I'll order more product and I bring it here and we do a craft. I pulled her because she's reading all these, looks like magazines to me. Now these are washi stickers, so they're a bit translucent. So I don't know how this is going to come out, but we're going to try. Let's see. Should we put her here? Let's put her in the center. Yeah, see, she goes a little translucent. But if we wanted that to be different, we can back her onto just like, look at back her onto this. We could glue this down if we wanted to, I guess, huh? Well, that was dumb, Carrie. Not dumb, but you know what I mean? Just takes me a minute. Takes me a minute. Let's see if we find him reading. Look, he's reading the recipe book. We'll kind of go with a theme, if we can. See if we can find another one of reading. Oh, look, that TV. Aren't those cute? Happy Father's Day. I'm going to have to remember that. It's got a Happy Father's Day sticker. What, I was going to ask y'all something, but I'll tell y'all this. Oh, look, there's a reading one. We got my honey. I think I'm going to go with a translucent, actually. I don't know. I have to think about this a second. Let me cut this down a little bit. We got my honey an ice cream maker. Now, if you've seen the Ninja Creamy, we were going to go with that, but instead of that one, I kind of like this, going off the page like this. I'm going to go ahead and take it off the back. No, we're just going to go with that. Boy, I probably shouldn't have done that. Hold on. Oh, I don't like it. Do y'all like it? It's okay. It'll be okay. Grab these scissors. We got him, I forget what the name brand was, but anyway, it was like $100 cheaper. And it's good. My honey loves small appliances. Do you remember the Huxtables? The dad, he loves small appliances. That's my honey. He loves small appliances. Look, I really do. I guess it doesn't look too bad on screen, but I really do wish that I would have left it on the back. Let's try another one. Let's try. This one is all Halloween related, so I kind of stay away from that one. You know, it's Halloween specific. This is the mom side, this is the dad side, and this is the children. This is all children stuff. So let's see if we can find one where they're reading. The children, look how cute. Look how stinking cute this is. I'm not going to delete this video, no. I know this is not, I can already tell you right now I'm not liking the scene. I really am not, but I'm not going to delete it. I'm not. I'm going to keep it. I think that's so precious. Do they, see, look, they're reading under the umbrella. Did I use that one the other day? Let me see if I can find it. There's 2 of each, so there should be, even if I did use it the other day, there should be one in here. No, this is the one I used the other day with them painting. So that one should be in here. Let's see. Ah, here it is. There it is. Okay. Okay. That's going to leave it heavy on the bottom. We're going to put this one up here. And I do think I'm going to leave it on the backing. And I'm going to use some Fabri-Tac here to glue this down. I probably could have cut it down, but I'm not. We're just going to go for it. I'll leave it, you can see that there's a perforation here, and I try not to go over that spot because if I ever wanted to send these in Happy Mail or use these as ephemera in a journal, I can. It's kind of my thought. Anyway, these are 4x6. And I get them at Hobby Lobby. This I get at Hobby Lobby. Look, I'll show you. The mixed media, $1.99, and these do go on sale 40% off, so you can get them for very inexpensive. Now, I want another one down here. We're gonna have to go outside of the reading, I think, but that's okay. We can do that too. We've got kids, mom reading. We're just gonna sticker it up. How about that? I think my honey just got home. My camera just went off. Oh, look, she's reading letters. Let's do that. Yeah. And I am going to leave this on the back too. I want to get some, I have some words too. I need to pull that out. And my glue wants to get all wonky on me. Let's see. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. We did our coffee collage today, and it was fabulous. I gave away a lace bundle. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I was really impressed with that one. I've got words here. I have been saving these. Just different random words. Final notes. Let's do that. I'll tell you one thing too that's helped me. Whenever I go and do this, I don't think about it. I try not to overthink it, analyze it, or anything like that. I just put it down. If it appeals to me, if it catches my eye, I just put it on the page. That's it. Sometimes I ink, sometimes I don't. I just, whatever catches my eye is how I do it. And I find those are some of the better collages that I do. But like I said, I can already tell you this is not going to be my favorite. It's okay. And it is okay. It's not that. It's just, it's not what I envisioned it would be. But let's see, I need something. I put away, I was doing all kinds of stuff earlier where we made book tags, and I had all kind of little sussies right here. And now they're not here. And now they're not here. Let's see, do I have anything that makes sense? Anything that makes sense? I've got this umbrella. Let's see. I don't necessarily mind the little flower, but I'm wondering if we can do the black one because of the words. There is a format or a formula to collage, and that, I'll be honest, is one of the reasons why I never really stuck to crafting to begin with. Like, in the past, when I was introduced to junk journaling, it changed the game for me, because junk journaling is such that I can do it any way I want to. And that, no formula, no rules, do it however you want. That was so freeing to me. And the reason that I want to be better at collage is because I think that just as I grow in my art, it helps you to identify color and form and placement, which also helps in my creating of journals. But there still doesn't have to be a formula to junk journaling, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like, but it does, overall, it will help me in my art. So I'm loving this. Now, I really do love this. This corner right here, these two right here, I don't like them. I'm going to cover them up. I'm covering them up. Let's find something. Look how cute. He's not reading. These two are not reading. This is cute though, but hold on. Let's see if we can find them reading something. That's such a cute image. Let's see. They're going fishing. He's barbecuing. Dad's barbecuing. Isn't that funny? Usually Dad barbecues on Father's Day. Oh, that's cute, huh? Let's see. Okay, we've got another one. That's right. Let's cover it. Oh, let's do that. Okay, I like it. We're going to do that. Yep. I think I already know I'm going to like it better. And I'm not worried that I'm doing the back of this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know the sticker's going to peel away. It's okay. The whole purpose of the exercise is just to practice collage, really. So visually, I just needed to understand what this would look like when using images as collage pieces. I don't know that I would do it again. I'm sure there are some formulas here that I'm missing. I'm sure of that. But I do like the way this helped to anchor it. Right? I do like that. The black and the black flowers. So that part I like. I want something right here. And if I were brave, I would do some mark making. If I were brave, I would do some mark making. Do I do a little squiggle? Okay, that's my mark making. I think we're going to call that good. I really do. I think we're going to call it good. I am going to date this for 6/14/2026. Like I said, these videos are meant to be short, just so you can kind of watch my journey and how I do this. And we're gonna call this Sunday Coffee and Collage video done. Thanks so much, guys, for coming along. Thanks for all your encouraging words and your support for this. I'll see you next Sunday. And remember what I always say, I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm having learning how to collage better. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.